What's your name and where do you come from?
My name is Sislawa Böckner. I'm working already at the Alfred Fechner Institute in Germany.
And can you tell me about your research background?
I am a biologist by training, but working since 2016 as a postdoc in many topics that have to do with microbiology.
And can you describe in a few words about the atmosphere and how you're finding the summer school?
In few words, I have to say it's inspiring. It opened my eyes in many ways. It gives me strength to go further in science.
Amazing to hear that. Thank you. What's your name and where do you come from?
My name is Maria. I came from Ukraine. I'm originally Ukrainian and I came from Kyiv, from Zabolotny Institute of Microbiology and Virology of National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine.
And can you tell me about your research background?
I research the biosynthesis of polyene antibiotics and other growth-regulated substances by Streptomyces natropsis under the action of exogenous substances.
And the important question, how are you finding the summer school? Can you describe it in 3 words?
If I describe in 3 words, it must be a lot of information, friendly atmosphere of our team's mentor, and incredible nature, of course, of Split.
What's your name and where do you come from?
So I'm Peyton, originally from Hong Kong, and now I'm in Scotland School College for my cryobank database development.
And can you tell me a little bit more about what your research is about?
First, we are looking for some soil microbiome data from the field, and we are still working on the field experiment at the moment. And after the experiment, I need to collect the soil sample and then extract DNA and for sequencing analysis. And we will use this information to develop the database and afterward for everyone to use it.
And in a few words, can you describe the summer school?
Oh, that is fantastic. And as you can see, we are next to the sea and enjoying the winds and sunshine. And everyone should come if they have a chance to come here. Yeah.
Thank you for your great words and enjoy the summer school. Can you tell me your name and where do you come from?
My name is Paulina Tsalgadidou and I come from Greece, from the University of Peloponnese.
And what is your research background?
My research background, I studied in Agricultural University of Athens. Actually, I'm working with sustainable agriculture and mostly I'm emphasized on endophytic and rhizospheric microorganisms and especially bacteria.
And last question, how are you finding the summer school? Can you describe it in a few words?
Yes, first of all, it was and it is, because we're still here, it's inspirational, unexpectedly very interactive and so useful. We met a lot of people. I suggest it to everyone, and especially when they are in that point of their life that want to explore any directions in any fields. It is just an amazing opportunity.
Great to hear and have fun the rest of the summer.
Thank you very much.
What's your name and where do you come from?
My name is Xiaofei Wang. I worked in Ghent University in Belgium.
And what's your research background?
I do environmental engineering and environmental science. So I basically work with bioelectrochemical reactors to deal with pollutants in the groundwater by microbial organisms, of course. Yeah.
And can you describe the summer school in a few words?
Oh, it's really a nice experience, let me think. I would say research, fun, and network. Well, this sounds a bit boring, but it's a very nice experience to meet such a group of amazing young scientists. And we had a lot of fun to hang out along the sea. Of course, we didn't just have fun, we also work a lot and try to work on projects, and we had a fascinating lectures given by the top scientists. So it's really nice experience. And I would recommend all of my colleagues to attend.
Fantastic to hear. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Can you tell me your name and where do you come from?
My name Kazim Adekunle Alayande. I'm a Nigerian. I'm currently a postdoctoral research fellow with Northwest University, Potchefstroom in South Africa.
And what's your research background?
My research background, bacteriology and microbial ecology, focusing on fungi and endosymbiotic bacterial relationship.
And in a few words, can you describe the summer school?
Wow. The summer school, I would describe it as an excellent idea that is centered upon humanity for sustainable science.
What is your name and where do you come from?
My name is Simona Lencová and I'm the postdoc at the University of Chemistry and Technology in Prague in the Czech Republic.
And what's your research about?
My research is mainly about the interactions between nanofibers and microorganisms, and we would like to develop these nanomaterials which could be microbiologically safe and which could be very useful in food industry applications and in the development of wound dressings.
Can you describe the summer school in a few words?
In a few words, well, it's a really good, amazing experience, and I'm totally glad that I could be here.
What's your name and where do you come from?
I'm Sunny Annie Matthew and I come from the University of Turku in Finland.
And can you tell me a little bit about your research field?
I work on plant microbiomes and I specifically work on looking the effect of glyphosate-based herbicides on microbiota of non-target plants.
And how are you finding the summer school?
This is an awesome experience. It's good to get to know so many people from different areas about working on microbiomes. So it has been fun.